Huh. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. All right, let's get it. Yo, yo, yo. just open this chart box over here. Now I can see. You guys say anything? Be able to see everything now. Okay, cool. All right. All right, guys. Well, let's go ahead and start looking at this market. See what we got. Australian. What I like to wait for is the London session. This is a very good time to trade right now. A lot of these markets are starting to go bye-bye. You don't see a lot of big moves during this time. GBP, JPY. We zone back into this market. Remove my drawings. We can see here, right? I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I see when I'm trading these charts. We can pull our zones out the market. Okay. Break it down to the 1 hour. Oh, when I get those ads, they always popping up. All right. So we can see that GBP JPY is at an all-time high since the past few months. Last time I was around this high was back in April, which is not too far gone. But before that, I mean, we don't really see. You can kind of see last time something similar like this happened. A straight drawdown. We can possibly see the same thing happening again. I really like this setup here. We can maybe see some form of retracement back to maybe this 4-hour candle. Back here. I like this for a sell. All right, the reason I put this, guys, is because I'm looking at the 4-hour candle. I don't know if you guys can see that. One, two, three, four. I'm looking at the fourth 4-hour candle. If not there, I'd like to maybe bring the market somewhere around this zone. If not there, I'd like to bring it somewhere around this zone. That's if we break down and retest back up. That would be really the only reason why I would want to get back into here. Because look, again, I can always enter these trades and just go in for a sell here and play it risky. But I really like to just draw these out and just have it set up for me. The reason being is because we can wake up in the moment of any moment, you know, and we can wake up in the middle of the night. We see it right here after this retest, leaving this marked up. We don't even hesitate. We just can go straight in. One way that I like to mark my stop losses, I look at the previous back candles. I kind of see the highest point, which would be maybe here. As long as it doesn't reach that candle, I like to put maybe 10 points on top. And that would be one of my stop losses. Enter here. Stop loss here. Take this market here. Okay? This is one trade setup I like to do. I mean, come on. This market needs to drop at some point. There's like no way this market cannot drop. So this is something we would be looking for. Gold, let's look at gold for a bit. We can see it's retesting this candle, these wicks. A lot of action going on here. We might see a retest back around here. Around here. If not, yeah, I see that. I see that. here, 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 back down here. The only thing I'm scared of, not really scared of, but I'm gonna show you guys something that I just seen. Okay. If you guys see this zone that we have marked up here, we can see that this almost looks like it's starting to head down. Okay, so if this zone is broken and we're matching back with that one, I'd be careful and sell this bitch back down to that 28, 29. Okay? And then we get back up. If we're not careful here, looking at these zones and we see this breakthrough, we can even catch that buy right back, but I like to maybe get in for a sell if we do get that pressure. I'm bullish on gold, but the way that the market's starting to structure, I don't know. It looked like it's starting to head right back up, but we see this looks like consolidation to me. Like straight consolidation for a while. Look at this. How is that not consolidation? This is not even a trend at this point. So if we really look at this market and we see this box, at some point it's got to break the box. And I see it maybe honestly retesting around this zone. Could really go back all the way down here. That would be a very sexy buy, I'm not gonna lie. So let's just kind of wait for gold. Honestly, I don't feel comfortable going in a trade. You guys can always go in trades, bouncing back up here. But we are looking for good entries. Well, at least for me. What works for me. GBP, we already kind of looked at it. Bitcoin, oh my gosh. This thing is crazy. It hit 29 an hour ago and it just bounced right back up. Sheesh, what a miss. Okay, well this was like 2 days ago, but it did hit 29 here just a few hours ago, bouncing right back to 30. If we can honestly get back into Bitcoin around this zone, this zone, I don't see why not. I don't see why it won't go right back up. It wants to break this white zone here. You guys can see that. So if you guys want to set maybe some buy limits around this red zone, I would. I like that red zone here. Uh-oh, what did I just do? Wait. Oh, wait, I didn't do nothing. All right, cool. Ethereum. Ethereum looks juicy all the time. Look at this. 1770 back down to this zone here. Back down to this zone. To be honest, if we don't sleep tonight, we can possibly even get Ethereum back down to this zone. That would be awesome. If we can get Ethereum to 1750, that'd be ridiculous. Bringing it right back up to here. Bringing this zone right back up to here. And here. Okay. Let's try to see if we're gonna get some type of retest back in this market. So, let's see. Let's see if Ethereum. Okay, so it's not too far out. It's around this zone. Let's see if we can get some type of retest in Ethereum down here, and maybe see if we can get some buy limits around here. If you guys want to go to sleep, I'd get some buy limits here, seriously, because this thing is not gonna last down there. Ethereum's risky. I mean, what is not risky? US 30, consistent downtrend, straight down. It's not there. There's nothing there. Not much there either. a very strong buy zone around here. Let's clear this out, clear this out. Okay. Let's analyze. If you guys want me to look at a specific pair, put it on the chat. Okay. We can see wick, 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 wick. Here, wick, wick. Sell this boy for 100 points. I'm liking this. I'm liking this for a sell. For here. Let's see how this goes tonight. Risky, 71 points, $71 to make 108. That's risky, but willing for sure. Willing for sure. Either there or we might go touch back down here. Here. Other than that, I don't think we have much else to look for. Look at gold, I know. Let's see. Gold. I really want to get into gold. It's just, this is not the time yet. Jeez. Hold up. When was this? Where was I at during this time? Holy crap. Is this in the morning? I think this is the morning. Yeah, honestly, if we can get back into this zone area, this is going to be solid. But it all depends what happens this here. Variable change depending on how it decides to react. Here we're going to see if we're going to see continuous downtrend. We might even see this uptrend for just a bit, just to get back to this zone. Back to that 50 and bam, right back down we go. This thing is just popping people straight out the market like it's nothing. Oh, bro, this is gonna be mad sexy. Even sales look good. I ain't even gonna lie. Even sales looking Gucci. Oh yeah. Oh snap. To be honest, I might even go in for sales in this bitch. Give me my phone. Don't hurt me if you lose money. But damn. Just I feel bad not selling gold if I don't get in this. Why am I selling gold? Well, let's check it out. Continuous downtrend causing Elliott waves in the market. Hitting one of my sell zones in the moment. We're looking to reach back down here. Sheesh. I mean, I don't see why not selling. You guys don't have to get in. But if you do, I'd mark my stop loss at like 5.3. If you don't, let's take this boy back to our buy zone, bro. Take it back to 53. Other than that, I'm liking this. I'm really liking this one. Actually, this is straight up retest. We're not always right, but when we're right, we're fucking right. All right. My stop loss 5.3. Well, I'm gonna put it like at 5.4 for now because I don't want to get spiked up. And then in the next 2 to 3 hours, once London opens, I'm gonna change my stop loss. That's something I continuously do. I always put my stop loss at some point just to get not stopped out. And then over time, I change it right back. And then I might take profit. I'm not gonna set one yet. Let's see how this market reacts. I went into two actual entries, so I can maybe get a few more back in there. So let's see what we can do. All right. All right, gold. How you want to act today? How do you want to act today, boy? Let's look at the... Okay, guys, so I'm actually in a trade now. I'm in an actual trade now. I've entered gold for the sell. At the top of the downtrend, we're looking at it in the minute chart. We can see gold is moving very fast. Honestly, gold moves very fast at night. So I'm gonna expect nothing less. Continuously going down. Call me crazy, but I'm willing to risk today. I'm willing to. Let's get it. I'm ready to make some money. We see a little teacup forming. A little teacup is formed here. We can see that's a baby teacup, but if you kind of zoom out here, this is the big teacup. And then, boom. This thing might form. Nope, might not. Go straight down to finish this zone. So let's see. Let's see how we're doing. Give me a second. I need a... let's see. My FX book. This is something I use. It keeps me updated with gold. Gold price forecast, US CPU unlikely to support XAU prices. What does that mean? Let's check it out. Gold prices moved higher overnight. The U.S. Treasury yields fell as stock rose and upside stalled through today's Asian Pacific session. The benchmark 10-year notes feel the remark, blah, 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 which helps support precious metals. Gold prices are higher this month, but prices remain well below levels traded earlier this year. Inflation expectations have risen at the same time. Okay. The represents like cool down. Gold prices are trading just under a trend line. Retracement just below current price moving average. People are bullish. More people are net long and then net short. 3% long, 18% short. Support 1918, support 1991, support 928, very weak support. Resistance 959, Resistance 205. Huh. Pivot points 444. Huh. This thing is bullish. But I'm still gonna sell it. I'm still gonna sell this one. I might bring it down though. I'm gonna bring my stop loss lower just so I don't lose too much. Bring my stop loss to around 151, and then we might just sell this boy right back down. I get a better entry at 151 anyways. 151. Let's see. Sheesh. Fucking Matrix. 30 seconds. What a... Alright. Minutes. Let's start seeing. So it just finished this zone. It just finished catching up to that zone. Candle here. Touch, 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 touch. Small little sell. Little pull down. Let's see if we can break this zone. This is one of the most important zones we gotta break for it to classify this as downtrending now. If it has trouble breaking here, variable change, we might lose this trade, and we can even have the chance to get out early if you're at that mental capacity. If it breaks, then we can start to see our trend. If it doesn't break, then we know we might be in some trouble. Okay? We need to establish the trend on both sides. I mean, you can't just be euphoric on one side. We need to be able to see that even if we are in this selling trend, where can this trade return back to the opposite zone? That's why it's important for you guys to analyze your guys' chart. Yes, we're in sales, correct? But we can't only look for the reason for it to go down. We need to look for the reason to go up. That's what variable change means. Being able to distinguish where the turning points are. Here are the turning points, okay? Here is going to be the point where we're going to determine if we're going to stay in this trade or is this trade going to kill us, okay? It's not going to kill us, but it'll hurt a little bit. So depending how it breaks, we're going to see our trend. Breaks up, we're going to our stop loss. Breaks down, we're going to our profit. Now, if you'd like, and this starts to go up, and it breaks this red zone, I could promise you it's probably going to hit up here. So if you like to get out early, get out early at that 1,850. If not, you can stay in here and let it ride your stop loss. Again, the market is going to do what it wants to do. I'm going to stay loyal to my stop loss, but I'm telling you guys where these turning points are. So you guys can study cutting losses. Here we can see that it's finally, well, it's moving up now. We're getting some buying pressure here. You can tune into this market. Now it's going back down. It's going to play with this for a little bit. Let's look at another currency. We can see GBP JPY is breaking higher highs, which is good for us. We want to sell this boy. Okay. So we're looking for this bounce down to go right back up to sell this boy down. Starting to move down just a little bit, slowly but surely. Okay. Okay, cool. BTC still at 30, not interested. Ethereum 18, not interested. The NAS, you know, I have not traded this, but I'm not interested in the moment. US 30 is going a little bit down. Went down 20 points. Not much. GBP. Back on gold. Back on gold. It's staying around that 150. I need to clear my chart out just a little bit. It's too much mess. Okay. 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 This is our warning zone. Right here. We see this start to trend. We're good. If it starts to trend a little sideways, watch, you guys are gonna see it, watch. If this thing starts to trend somewhat sideways, up, a small little uptrend sideways, we're still gonna be solid. Because it's gonna be like some bullshit like this, and then we're gonna see some breakthroughs happen. If it starts to cause this, I've seen this kind of stuff before. But if we break this red line, guys, we might be going to the stop loss if it breaks to the red zone. So again, stop loss around this zone here. This is gonna be the stop loss zone. Okay. Take profit. It's going to be down here. This is where we're taking our money. All right. Let's watch this market play ping pong. Okay. We're going to see a lot of these wicks. It's going to be a little tough to kind of break this through. We're getting sell pressure, sell pressure, sell pressure. More buys, buys, buys. Down 20. Yeah, that was a good point. Sheesh. So we got one going down. 20 points down. 2, 4, 6, 8. This is what we got. This is what we got right now, man. Got one going. This is how we be trading. I just be doing this all night. Pretty hard to sleep. My money don't sleep. Like right here, it was very interesting to sell, but I wasn't tempted. Now this retracement is tempting. Because this, guys, this is buy pressure. At some point, all these buyers down here that brought this market up want to take their money out the market. Here, you don't know who's taking their money out the market. So how can I really get in sells? Like, who's taking profit? You know, like who's taking profit here? Yes, it might have went down, But like, how could I have been so sure that after it got back to this bottom point, people were gonna sell again? I couldn't, but at least here I know that there is buyers that are willing to take their profit out, or people that have probably been stuck in trades or want to take their money out. So this is what we got right now. We're playing ping pong with the market. Do you guys see all this wicks here? This is very interesting. This is very, very, very interesting. This is all sell pressure. If we see another black candle, it's gonna be good. If we see 3 black candles in a row in the 5-minute chart, oh, that's even better. 25 seconds left. Come on. 25 seconds left. If we can get another black candle. If we can get another black candle. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So black candle. Let's see what color just opened. A black candle just opened, which is good. Okay, which is good. Let's see if we can keep. Let's see if we can keep having these black wicks. These black wicks really are a good indicator, or not black wicks, but just wicks in general. These are money maker wicks right here. Wick, 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 sell, sell, sell. Buyer said, seller said no. So, let's see. Come on, we need to see a breakthrough happen here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this candle just broke. We get another wick up here. Let's see. I wonder how far up this is gonna go. How far up will you go, market? Are you no longer gonna go down here? Guys, these trades can take hours, to be honest. Hours on hours. What time is it? 11:16. Charman's open. London's gonna be good. London doesn't really start moving until like it's around like 1. Could be wrong though, but London be moving brazy, so let's see if we can probably get in that boy. I don't know, I really like all these wicks. Makes me feel good, makes me feel good. Makes me feel like this market wants to go up, but there's a lot of people saying no. But I know how much I'm willing to lose. We up here, and I know how much I want to make. So, at the end of the day, that's all that matters when it comes to trading. Making money and learning, to be honest. GBP, JPY selling off. 400 back in our zone. Crazy, it was like a little retest that happened. If we see this thing bounce down, I know I put this zone here, but that same bounce can happen here. If we can get this back up to that 164, oh shit. That 164 or 500 even, we want to take this boy back, right back down. Okay, I know I have it over here, but in reality, it's like right here. We don't want to enter there though. We want to enter here. Okay. Gold. I'm not leaving you gold, okay? I'm interested. Let's see what color our 5-minute candle ended. So we got 53 seconds to see if our third candle is going to end black or not. Guys, if we see black candle, oof, oof, oof. That's going to be juicy. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Mr. I can't spell. All right. This is good to have. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh. Surprised I ended blue, really. Surprised. I'm very surprised. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Toot, 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 toot. Break. Do you guys see that? Toot, toot, toot. Bear flag. Toot, toot, toot. Bear flag. You can even look. It's a whole flag right here. Look at that flag, bruh. Look at that flag. There's a whole flag right here. Look, let's can even paint our flag up. It's funny. Straight consolidation. I don't know. That's just what I see. It's just what I see. Bearish flag. Strong move. Interesting. Jeez, imagine we see gold all the way down here again. That'd be nice. Ethereum shooting up like a rocket ship. US 30 back down on the negative side. Sheesh. Well, good thing I didn't answer, but I still think it's a good move. I'm not gonna lie. So I guess it doesn't want to do that uptrend. Or it might want to, just not that way. Maybe just form differently. But I already kind of see it broke through here. Right now at this point, all it's gonna do is keep trying to break it to the point that it breaks. So we're just gonna wait for this thing, really. Oh, I wonder who got in. I don't have any if y'all got in. Right back to 50. Good retest. Good retest market. I like it. I like it just so I can get back in. Do it again. Shh. Nice. Nice. Remember, keep a stop loss though. This is going to be my point of re-entry, guys. I'm not going to take these out that I entered here, but I'm saying if it goes here, I'm going to just enter another lot size. So I think the win to loss ratio is actually pretty good in this. I think it's very good, actually. And jeez, it should even... It looks downtrendy as fuck. I ain't even gonna lie. All right. Now let's see how much this market respects this zone now. We got new wicks forming. Sellers are saying no. Let's see if we can get buy pressure here and keep pushing it down and break this green line. That's really what I want. I really just want this zone to get broken down. Once we get broken down, all we're gonna see now just straight profits. Straight profits. Just straight money just flowing and flowing and flowing. Okay, green means profit. Okay, blue means buy. Red means sell or stop loss. And this, I should make it purple just to show support and resistance, all right? We need to break this purple zone though, for sure. Okay. This red zone, we're keeping it for ourselves. Not going in sells, I kind of just keep it for myself, more like as a mark, kind of like almost a reminder. But we'll see how we do, y'all. once I see this break, I think I might get off and just let my trade run, either with the stop loss or take profit. Most definitely want to hit the take profit though, that's for sure. But we are currently up. Obviously not for long, because fucking trading is crazy. But we're finally in profits. See, yep. Market does what market does. So hopefully it does not break this red zone. And if it does, honestly, it's just gonna be little wicks. If we're still on this downtrend, it's gonna keep going to here, but only on wicks. If it starts to form candles, oh yeah, then it's gonna be weird. It's gonna be very weird. Um, so yeah, it starts breaking candles here. Make sure you do not go to sleep without a stop loss. If it's just wicks, don't worry about it. You're solid. Still says stop losses. Let's see how these wicks hit. 22 seconds. Mm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. So it was just the wick, which is good. Which is good for now. Yeah, honestly, I love looking at the minute because I can really analyze kind of what's going on throughout the hours, throughout the next few hours. Like people underestimate the minute, but the minute like has hella detail. I mean, so does a 5 minute. Quick. I mean, come on now. Come on. This is called bearish engulfing. Well, for it to be called a bearish, this one honestly needs to be longer. If anything, this right here is a bullish engulfing. Not this one, but this one need to be followed blue. This is a bullish engulfing. Bear engulfing. Bull engulfing. This is called a bear engulfing, my fault. A bearish engulfing right here. So that's kind of why I like that red zone. Because it is, yeah, it's very, very touched. All right, well, it looks like we're going down. Let's see, did that candle form? Oh yeah, that candle actually broke down there. Huh, interesting. Yeah, my phone's at 6%. How far do I want to go? Here? Here. 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 My interest zones. Or if I want to take it the long way, I'm going to take this boy right back down here to that 43. But I honestly despise getting that greedy. That move is sexy and solid. But come on, there's so many other zones that this thing can retest back up. And if you're up, you're up. Take your profit. Learn to take a profit, ladies and gentlemen. I said I was gonna stop once it broke that zone. And my phone's gonna die. So, make sure if you enter that trade, close it in profit. Don't let it break that red line. Honestly, I'd move my stop loss to here, that 1850. Because if this thing does reverse back to here, variable change, it's not going to be nice. Here, this green line, you won't lose too much. You won't be down too much. You'll be pretty solid. Not like the other stop loss we had at 151. But, I mean, this thing is already starting to move in. And if our technicals are correct, we shouldn't see a reach back up here. We shouldn't. 54 or 55 seconds. Let's see. Where can this market retest back down at? Here. Here. Okay. $15, $14, $13, $12, $11, $10, $9, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1. I'm just playing. All I was redoing is just testing that zone. These trades are like females, bro. They just test your strength. Test your strength to see how much you can take. If you can take, you're gonna keep her. You're gonna win that trade. You can't deal with this. You can't deal with nothing. Because these retests are calling my name, bro. These retests are calling my name, bro. Oh, snap. Funny. It's weird. It's pretty funny how it kind of just keeps retesting that zone. You guys gotta be careful with these retests, though. Retests could just be forms of new breakthroughs, or they can just be retests for forms of fucking demolishing the market and going directly to wherever you want it to go. So, risk management. Don't fall in love with one trade. Don't put your whole account on one trade. Play smart. If we were trading binary options, we'd go crazy, bro. Like, holy fuck. Imagine we're really trading binary option with gold. Jeez. We'd be cold as fuck, actually. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now this zone is really starting to look good for stop loss. Okay, new stop loss up here. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Stop loss. You won't lose much. That's the whole point of it. You don't want to lose too much. The reason why I move my stop loss even lower is because it should not break these zones. And if it does, then our trade is over. That trade is going somewhere else. It's not doing we're not following rules anymore. Now we're just trading based off of emotion and attachment towards our trade. I like to keep it at like 700. 700 new stop loss. If you're in profit right now, if you took this sell, you gotta like the video. Straightforward. Trade for like for trade. What time is it? We got 20 minutes till the London session starts. And I get scared of the London session. I get scared. Scares me, freaks me out. Do you guys see how we started this here, and it's legit been doing this ping pong shit we zoned out for. It's pretty hilarious. We zoned down this whole zone. Oh shoot. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, bro, we missed this. Oh my gosh. I mean, we didn't miss it, but damn, we're looking for that 500 bad, bro. Fuck. Well, we don't get that 500, we better sell this bitch at 168. But damn. Ooh, Ethereum back down below 1800. Bro, where the freak are we when we look at this shit? You need to put this in the chat. I don't be these crazy ass moves, bro. Ooh, GBP. US 30 going straight up, which is good because I didn't go in this one, and I'd rather sell higher anyways. All right, it broke. Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? You know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this. I don't even need to draw it. I'm looking for this bounce. Come on, come on. 30 seconds. Do it, you little big ol'. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 17, 15. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. You don't like being right there. You don't want to be right there. You want to be down here with your friends. Come chill with your friends down here. Well, what can I say? David, are you gonna retest? Look at that. Just zone touching. Just zone touching. You want to touch back up here, don't you? You want to touch back up here? No? Yes, maybe. 45 seconds. Dude. I dare you. I triple dare you. Right now, it's just taking people's money. Whoever's freaking moving their stop losses to their entry point. Quick. How quick can that be on entering right here? Phone's at 4%. I really don't want to stop. Alright, guys, the London session is gonna start in 10 minutes, but I'm about to get off. I'm gonna let these trades roll out. I'm probably gonna look at them in bed, but my analysis has been done. I know where they are going. So now all I'm gonna do is probably just look at it. And if I see anything change, there's my Instagram, there's my Telegram. Or if you guys see anything change, text me. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, anything can change in the market. So, gang, trade safely, make some money. Come on, just drop one last time. All right, guys, let's go make some money.